maths answer the following questions. The questions related to word problems. The question says, question number 1 says, if a car travel from A to B at 60 km per hour and return at 40 km per hour, what is the average speed for the entire trip? How do you calculate the average speed? A car travel from A to B, it is 60 km per hour and it returns by 40 km per hour. The average speed is 60 plus 40 over 2? No. Let us do together. Solution. A car travel from A to B. A car travel from A to B. From A to B, let's say the distance is S from A to B. So what's given? V1 is given, which is 16 kilometer per hour. Again, V2 is the returning speed is given. V2, what's given? 40 kilometer per hour is given. So you know that V average is equal to S total over T total. S total over T total. Look, from this, you know that for V1, the time is T1, let's say T1. For V2, the time is T2, let's say T2. S is common, therefore, S is twice, so the total distance is 2S. Let us calculate T1. T1 is equal to, you know, V means S over T. So T1 means S over V1. Again, T2 means is equal to S over what? V2, because S is the same. The distance is the same. So from this, you know, T total. So T total is equal to T1 plus T2, or T1 plus T2. So T1 means S over V1 plus S over V2. So V1 and V2 is common. V1 and V2 is the denominator is V1 and V2. So the LCM is V1 and V2. V1 V2 by V1, it is V2. SV2. V1 V2 by V2, it is V1 SV1. So this is equals to S is common, V2 plus V1 over V1 times V2 means. This is total time. Now come to the question. You know, V average is equal to S total over T total. So from this, V average is equal to S total means S plus S, 2S. 2S over T total means this one. We can use this one. S into V2 plus V1 over V1 times V2. Now, S by S is cancelled. What left? 2 times, this one is reversed. 2 times V1, V2 over V1 plus V2. So from this, what is given? V1 is 60, 2 times 60 times 40 over 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40 means. So this is equal to 2 times 60 times 40 over 100. Look, from this, 0 by 0 cancel, 0 by 0 cancel. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 2 is 48 kilometer per hour. So the average speed is 48 kilometer per hour. It is not 50. So the answer is A. How do you see it? If you like it, share to your friends. Thank you.